Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarping, PhD in accounting. And our topic today is simultaneous equation. It is not an accounting topic, it's more math and algebra, but there are tons of uses for these on accounting and business, for instance, uh, reciprocal method for cost allocation and so on. And what is this? It's when we have more than one equation and more than one variable, but the number of variables must be equal or less than number of equations. So for instance, we have three methods: substitution, elimination, and matrix inversion. Substitution and elimination works for small problems. Two equations, two variables, three equations, three variables. More than that, it becomes hard. But matrix inversion, that is our topic here, we can do it on tons of equations and variables. For instance, this one, 7 equations, 7 variables. Huge. So elimination or substitution, it will take hours for you to do it. But on matrix and on Excel, it makes everything much easier. So let's go. On Excel, remember, this Excel file is free and the download. And you can download it on the link on our video description. So here we have the equation that I copy and paste from PowerPoint. What do you need to do? You need to write it on a table format. I did two here, the yellow and the green. So the yellow is the coefficients and the green is the independent. So your system must be done or considering this approach. All A's, all B's, all C's, all D's are X, Y's, and Z's, and then the last one with the independent. If you don't have any one of the variables on one of your or more of your equations, just add 0, because 0 times anything is 0. So for instance, the first equation, 2A, 4B, minus 5C, 7D, 3X, minus 5Y, 6Z, 275. The second, minus 4, 20, 60, 20, minus 30, minus 40, 12, 3,102. So here is what we have. Here there's if you are using Office 365, that's what I am using, easier. Other versions of Office, not that easy, but we can do it. So we need to find a table, one column, for the variables, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. This is the solution. So we will make sure that we find these numbers. So what is the equation? The inverse of the yellow matrix times the green matrix. How do you do matrix account on Excel? Office 365, select the A, other versions, select all of them. And type on the first one, equal, M for matrix, multiply. So M multi, what we will be multiplying? The M inverse of the yellow matrix, and then times that the M multi, so you add a comma, the second matrix. On Excel, hit enter, you will have all of the numbers. Other versions, you need to hit Control Shift Enter. If you hit Control Shift and Enter, on the 365, it will also work. So here, 12, 48, 62, 50, 23, 58, and 40. Best of these one, if we change any number on the equation, then it will work. For instance, 40, we have this solution, and minus 500, 5,000, we have this one, and so on. So we have solutions for all of them, just changing the numbers. Easy, huh? Using matrix, if you know how to perform matrix formulas on Excel, it can solve tons of problems. Linear algebra will be the easiest topic on college or on your professional life. So, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Questions or comments, just leave them here or email me. I will be more than glad to answer your questions and comments. Have a very nice day and God bless you.